Great.
Okay.
Thanks, Manoj.
Hello, my name is Manoj Kumar. I'm 18 years old this year. I started coding when I was 17 years old. I got the interest in the coding world when I started electronics. I got so curious how machines and computers works. So that's why I deeply looked into hardware. So and then going along the journey of learning hardware, I also got to know that software is a crucial part of what hardware can really do. I started to love about coding and hardware when I saw robots, where robots was moving. I thought it was like rocket science, where there's like more stuff that like human can't exploit. I thought it was like something like for scientists or smart people out there. But and then I tried to Google and see it was kind of like you can do it, but since you need to put some effort and research. So I did my research and found out you can do it with hardware programming and actuate devices. So I built my own robot that can move around. It's my first project. It was just like it's like a RC car, remote control car. That was my first project that I built on, that I called it a robot. At the very beginning, I as far I can recall, I would say I just went to YouTube and did a lot of watch videos. Maybe because if I read, it will be demotivating me. At least I can just go to YouTube and see what others can do, just like pretty much like it motivate me to do more. So and then I started to read again. Then it demotivate me. I go back to YouTube and see the fun of it. I think what caught me is when I was able to move, able to actuate something. Just blink the LED. Just on and off a LED. It was such a big moment for me because I was able to on and off by writing code. So that was my first stuff that got me further. Okay, after I joined the Next Academy, I was so excited because I got to know about software more. Before that, I was like more into hardware stuff, but I didn't know really how software works and how they design it. So after joining it, I got the way how developers work on it and how the softwares and how people really break up the stuff and go. Okay, my favorite part of the bootcamp was we learned about certain tools like GitHubs and GitHub was a collaborative code sharing platform where I didn't know much about it before, but coming here I got to know to hands-on with it, and it really helped me. Before I was doing IoT, where I kind of know what is web development, but I didn't know the process of building a web, because the end product is it's for human to use and interact with IoT. So right now I know what web can do and how I can work along with people. So it really made me understand what's underneath web development and how web works. Okay, right now I'm working on IoT projects, where IoT is Internet of Things, where we connect many things, like even like your table, your chairs to internet. It sounds crazy, but that's the reality gonna happen. If I don't do it now, there's someone going to do it soon after. So that's where we're going to connect each devices and make sense the data out of it and what we can harvest and make a human life better with it.